Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video, we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung LED TV that came for repair with the fault sound okay but no display. While checking, we found that the backlight is not working. So here, we have already opened the TV panel frame, and there are two backlight strips. The fault is only with one LED backlight strip, but while dealing with backlight-related faults, it is always recommended to replace the entire backlights to avoid future repetition of the same fault. If we replace the entire backlights with new ones, then they will last for 2 to 3 years. Anyway, here we have already purchased two LED backlight strips, so let's install and fix these two LED backlights. See, finally the backlight installation is completed successfully. Now let's put back the panel frame and display into the TV. See friends, finally we have connected all sockets, LVDS cables, and everything back to the TV. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the picture is coming, and the TV has started working back to normal. So that's it. I hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.